This is a video about a pretty unique trading indicator known as parabolic RSI, and this one's by the folks over at Chart Prime. It's basically a tool that cleverly mashes together the parabolic SAR and the RSI to help you spot shifts in momentum and potential reversals kinda early. We're gonna dive into what this indicator does and show you how you might use it in your own trading. If you happen to find value in this video, definitely remember to smash that like button. Now, to get started with this indicator, you first of all want to head over to TradingView. That's the charting platform I'm using here. If you're not signed up yet, no worries. There's a link down in the video description you can use. Once you're on TradingView, load up whatever market and time frame you like to trade. Then, click on the Indicators button up top, and in the search box, just type in Parabolic RSI. You're looking for the one that says it's by Chart Prime. Click on that one to add it to your chart. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the all-powerful Parabolic RSI indicator by Chart Prime. So, what this indicator does is pretty neat. It takes the dots from the parabolic SAR and plots them directly onto the RSI line itself. This lets you see the trend of momentum, giving you signals for potential reversals or trend shifts right on your chart using diamonds. Alright, let's look at what you actually see on the screen. Down below your main price chart, you'll have the familiar RSI line, oscillating. But the cool part is, you'll see these little dots, usually orange and blue or similar colors, plotted right along that RSI line. Those are the parabolic SAR dots, tracking the RSI's trend. Then, up on your main price chart, you'll notice these diamond signals popping up. You'll see big diamonds and small diamonds. The big ones are your strong signals, and they show up when the PSAR dots flip while the RSI is either above the 70 level, overbought, or below the 30 level, oversold. The smaller diamonds are regular signals, and they appear when the PSAR dots flip somewhere between the 30 and 70 RSI levels. Next, let's peek into the indicator's settings. If you open them up, you'll see you can customize things quite a bit. You can change the length for the RSI calculation, maybe make it longer if you're more of a swing trader, or shorter if you're looking to scalp. You can also adjust the parabolic SAR parameters, like the acceleration factors, to fine-tune how sensitive it is to momentum changes. And of course, you can tweak the colors and decide whether you want the signals displayed or not. It gives you some decent flexibility to match it to your trading style. Next, we're going to go over how we can use this indicator to trade. But before we do that, let's talk about SimpleFX, which is the forex broker that I use for trading. It's fast, effective, and safe to trade with. Not only do they have a web and mobile application, but they also have a desktop application that you can download and trade with. They have no minimum deposit, and they made sure to use only the charts from TradingView across all their trading platforms. SimpleFX, as mentioned before, has a mobile application that allows you to trade wherever you are. They have over 1,000 tradable instruments, including forex, commodities, indices, and equities. But what I love the most about SimpleFX is that they give you a first deposit bonus of up to $5,000 and a 10% cashback. To get access to the bonus and all the other perks, sign up to SimpleFX using the link in the video description. Okay, back to it. How do we actually use this thing for trading? Well, the main idea is to use those diamond signals. For a potentially strong bullish setup, you'd be looking for the RSI to be down in the oversold area, below 30. When the parabolic SAR dots flip from being above the RSI line to below it while the RSI is under 30, you'll get a big blue diamond printed on your price chart. That's your strong buy signal, suggesting momentum might be reversing upwards from an oversold condition. Conversely, for a potentially strong bearish setup, you'd want to see the RSI up in the overbought zone, above 70. If the PSAR dots then flip from below the RSI line to above it while the RSI is over 70, you'll get a big orange, or maybe red, depending on your settings, diamond on the chart. That's your strong sell signal, hinting that momentum could be rolling over from an overbought state, because this analysis is happening on the RSI momentum. Rather than directly on price, these signals can sometimes show up a bit earlier than traditional trend followers. Now, what about those smaller diamonds? These pop up when the PSAR dots flip inside the normal 30 to 70 RSI range. These are considered regular or weaker signals. They might indicate smaller trend shifts or potential entries earlier in a move, but they don't have that extra confirmation of coming from an extreme overbought or oversold momentum level. So, you might want to be a bit more cautious with these, or look for extra confirmation from your price action analysis or other tools before jumping in. As always, it's a good idea to combine these signals with other forms of analysis to really build confidence in your trades. So, to wrap things up, the parabolic RSI indicator from ChartPrime is a really interesting hybrid tool. It merges the trend-following aspect of parabolic SAR with the momentum insights of the RSI by applying the SAR directly to the RSI line. This gives you those diamond signals on your chart, strong ones from RSI extremes and regular ones from within the range, helping you spot potential momentum shifts and reversals, sometimes even before they're super obvious on the price chart itself. It offers a clear visual way to analyze momentum trends. Just remember, this video is for educational purposes only, and nothing here is financial advice. The strategy ideas we talked about are based purely on indicators. You should always do your own research and consider adding your own analysis, whether that's price action, chart patterns, fundamentals, or whatever else fits your trading style before making any trading decisions. If you found value in this video, remember to leave a like, or even better, consider subscribing to stay tuned for more indicator breakdowns and trading ideas. Thanks for watching. See you next time.